A legend is born, introducing the Jaguar XJ. The epitome of British luxury and engineering excellence, the Jaguar XJ is more than just a car, it's a statement, a legacy, and a testament to the art of automobile manufacturing. The Jaguar XJ, a name synonymous with style, luxury, and performance. Every curve, every line, every detail has been meticulously crafted to offer an unparalleled driving experience. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know you're in the presence of something extraordinary. Since its debut in 1968, the XJ has been a statement on wheels. It has graced the driveways of the elite, been the choice of dignitaries, and has always stood as a symbol of prestige and sophistication. Over the decades, the XJ has evolved, embracing modernity while retaining its classic charm. A car for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Whether you're arriving at a high-end restaurant or simply taking a leisurely drive, the Jaguar XJ ensures you do so with unmatched elegance and grace. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the journey, the experience, and the impression you leave behind. It's a car that turns heads. Wherever it goes, it commands attention. People stop, they stare, and they admire. The Jaguar XJ is not just seen, it's felt. Its presence is undeniable, and its allure is irresistible. It whispers, "I've arrived," without shouting. The Jaguar XJ exudes a quiet confidence. It doesn't need to boast or brag. Its mere presence speaks volumes. It's a car that understands the power of subtlety and the impact of understated elegance. But don't let the refined exterior fool you. Underneath that sleek body lies a beast waiting to be unleashed. The Jaguar XJ is not just about luxury, it's about performance. With a powerful engine and advanced engineering, it offers a driving experience that's both exhilarating and smooth. Whether you're cruising down the highway or pushing it to its limits on a racetrack, the XJ delivers in spades. This isn't just a car, it's an experience. From the moment you step inside, you're enveloped in luxury. The seats, crafted from the finest materials, offer unparalleled comfort. The advanced technology ensures you're always connected, entertained, and in control. Every drive in the Jaguar XJ is a journey of discovery, a symphony of sensations, and a celebration of the art of driving. An experience that blends classic British craftsmanship with modern technology. The Jaguar XJ is a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence. Every detail, from the hand-stitched leather to the state-of-the-art infotainment system, has been designed to offer the best of both worlds. It's a car that respects its heritage while embracing the future. Fasten your seatbelts, ladies and gentlemen, and let's take a ride through the world of the Jaguar XJ. Discover the legacy, the luxury, and the performance that have made the XJ a legend in the automotive world. Whether you're a longtime admirer or a new enthusiast, the Jaguar XJ promises an experience like no other. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Welcome to the world of Jaguar XJ, where every journey is a masterpiece. Grace under pressure. The XJ's evolution over time. The Jaguar XJ, a name synonymous with luxury, performance, and timeless elegance, has a storied history that spans over 5 decades. From its inception, the XJ has been a symbol of British automotive excellence, capturing the hearts of car enthusiasts and luxury seekers alike. The XJ wasn't built in a day. It was the result of years of meticulous planning, design, and engineering. The journey began in the late 1960s, a time when the automotive world was on the brink of a revolution. Jaguar's vision was clear: to create a sedan that combined the performance of a sports car with the comfort of a luxury vehicle. It evolved. Over decades, Jaguar refined this masterpiece like a sculptor chiseling away at marble. Each iteration of the XJ was a step closer to perfection, a blend of art and engineering. The designers and engineers at Jaguar worked tirelessly, drawing inspiration from the world around them, from the sleek lines of a jet to the graceful curves of a classic sculpture. Each generation, a testament to their dedication. The Series 1, introduced in 1968, set the stage with its revolutionary design and advanced engineering. It was a car ahead of its time, featuring independent rear suspension and a powerful engine that delivered a smooth and exhilarating ride. The Series 2 and 3 followed, each bringing their own innovations and improvements, solidifying the XJ's reputation as a leader in the luxury sedan market. From the Series 1, with its iconic 4-headlamp design, to the Series 3, which introduced fuel injection and improved safety features, the XJ continued to evolve. The 1980s and 90s saw the introduction of the XJ40 and X300, models that brought modern technology and enhanced performance to the classic XJ formula. To the modern-day XJ, the essence remains. The latest generation of the XJ, launched in 2009, represents the pinnacle of Jaguar's design and engineering prowess. With its sleek aerodynamic lines and state-of-the-art technology, the modern XJ is a true masterpiece, a car that embodies the spirit of its predecessors while embracing the future. Elegant lines, powerful engines, and an air of undeniable sophistication. The XJ has always been more than just a car. It's a statement, a symbol of success and refinement. Inside, the XJ offers a sanctuary of luxury, with sumptuous materials, advanced technology, and a level of craftsmanship that is second to none. Jaguar never compromised. They embraced new technologies, always pushing the boundaries of luxury and performance. From the introduction of advanced driver assistance systems to the integration of cutting-edge infotainment features, the XJ has always been at the forefront of automotive innovation. The latest models offer a seamless blend of performance and efficiency, with powerful engines that deliver exhilarating performance while maintaining impressive fuel economy. But they never forgot their roots. The XJ's design has always paid homage to its heritage, with subtle nods to the classic models that came before. The iconic grille, the elegant lines, and the attention to detail all harken back to the original XJ, a car that set the standard for luxury sedans. The XJ, a timeless classic, constantly evolving, yet always true to its heritage. It's a car that has stood the test of time, adapting to the changing demands of the automotive world while remaining true to its core values. The XJ is a testament to Jaguar's commitment to excellence, a car that continues to inspire and captivate, a testament to automotive excellence. Over the years, the XJ has received numerous awards and accolades, a reflection of its enduring appeal and outstanding performance. From its debut to the present day, the XJ has been celebrated for its design, engineering, and innovation, earning its place as one of the most iconic luxury sedans in automotive history. A gentleman's club on wheels inside the XJ's luxurious cabin. Imagine stepping into a world where sophistication meets comfort, where every detail has been thoughtfully designed to cater to your senses. This is the essence of the Jaguar XJ's cabin, a sanctuary that redefines luxury on wheels. Step inside the XJ and you're transported. The moment you open the door, you are greeted by an ambiance that whispers elegance and exclusivity. The soft glow of ambient lighting sets the mood, creating an inviting atmosphere that beckons you to leave the outside world behind. Gone is the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The XJ's cabin is a cocoon of tranquility, designed to provide a serene escape from the chaos of the outside world. The noise-canceling technology ensures that the only sounds you hear are the ones you choose, whether it's your favorite music or the gentle hum of the engine. You're enveloped in a sanctuary of leather, wood, and chrome. The materials used in the XJ's interior are not just for show, they are carefully selected to provide the utmost comfort and luxury. The rich leather seats, the polished wood veneers, and the gleaming chrome accents all come together to create an environment that is both opulent and inviting. The seats, hand-stitched, beckon you to sink in and relax. Each stitch is a testament to the craftsmanship that goes into creating the XJ's interior. The seats are not just comfortable, they are designed to support your body in all the right places, making long journeys a pleasure rather than a chore. The aroma of rich leather fills the air. It's a scent that instantly evokes a sense of luxury and refinement. This is not just any leather, it's the finest quality, chosen for its softness and durability. The smell alone is enough to make you feel like you're in a first-class lounge. Every detail, meticulously crafted, exudes an air of refined luxury. From the intricate stitching on the seats to the carefully placed controls, everything in the XJ's cabin has been designed with the driver and passengers in mind. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect, making it clear that this is a car for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Whether navigating city streets or cruising down the open road, the XJ's cabin is your haven. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride, while the powerful engine provides the performance you expect from a Jaguar. No matter where your journey takes you, the XJ's cabin is a place of comfort and luxury, a place to escape, to unwind, to enjoy the journey as much as the destination. The XJ's cabin is more than just a place to sit, it's a place to relax and rejuvenate. The seats are designed to provide maximum comfort, with adjustable settings that allow you to find the perfect position. The climate control system ensures that the temperature is always just right, no matter what the weather is like outside. This is not just a car interior, it's an experience. The XJ's cabin is designed to engage all your senses, from the feel of the leather seats to the sound of the premium audio system. The panoramic sunroof lets in natural light, creating a bright and airy atmosphere that enhances the feeling of space and freedom, an experience reserved for those who appreciate the finer things in life. The Jaguar XJ is not just a car, it's a statement. It's a testament to the art of luxury and the pursuit of perfection. For those who demand the best, the XJ's cabin offers an unparalleled experience that is both luxurious and unforgettable.